Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
bench clamps.
Number 5.
Yost Visus 465 6.5 heavy-duty utility combination pipe. Clamp force 4,950 pounds and torque rating 116 foot-pounds. Jaw width 6.5 x jaw opening 5.5 x throat depth 3.75. Pipe capacity 1/8 x 2.5 diameter. Pipe jaws are casting place. 360-degree interlocking gear. Swivel base with 2 lockdowns adjust the direction of the jaws for proper placement. High-strength steel bar and 30,000 C cast iron vise components.
Number 4.
Happy by 6-inch AQ lockdown vise precision milling. 6 single quote AQ lock vise milling machine. Jaw width 6. Jaw opening 5. 9. Jaw height accurate to 0.002 on parallelism and squareness.
Allons plonger. Balaisser le Méditerranée.
Sliding surface of the AQ lock vise bed is flame hardened and ground. Highest clamping power. It's very accurate and durable. The precision milling drilling vise is ideal for milling, drilling machine. It is particularly suitable for the finishing.
Number 3.
28,807 1765 Wilton Tradesman vise. Enclosed design keeps lubrication in and contaminants out for a lifetime of smooth operation. Redesigned spindle assembly improves overall product life and durability. Precision slide bar eliminates movement in the front jaw regardless of open distance. Machine steel serrated jaws with phosphate coating provide increased durability and an extended life of use. Reversible jaw inserts are serrated on one side for extra grip and smooth on the other to prevent marring on softer surfaces.
Number 2.
Dual DXCMWS V8 heavy-duty workshop. Easily clamp pipe and other rounded materials. Micro-grooved, replaceable steel jaws. Firm grip and able to be replaced when worn. Anvil work surface for hammering and shaping. (120-degree swivel base for convenient positioning of your workpiece. Machined steel main screw with rolled threads for wear resistance and smooth operation.
Number 1.
Forward CR60A 6.5-inch bench vise swivel. Jaw width 165.1 mm 6.5. Opening 150 mm 6. Throat depth 97 mm 3.8. Durable and sturdy. The fixed body is made of high-strength gray cast iron. The float is made of ductile iron and is durable. multifunctional mounting vise on the workbench. Then you could do the work of grinding, cutting, and etc. More flexible, with 270-degree rotating base, large anvil and corrosion-resistant handle. Perfect dual-purpose vices. This 6.5 vise is suitable for both industrial and home use.